Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Being bitten by the clean home bug and looking for a hygienic method, steam cleaning did fall into my radar. I have with me the Prestige Dynamo Steam Cleaner, but does steam cleaning actually work? Let's find out. Steam, being really hot, 100 degrees plus to be exact, has the tendency to kill bacteria and viruses and other microorganisms. Steam is also effective against mold and small insects like mites. It can also be used to sterilize and disinfect your house. These are the items in the box. We have an extension rod, actually we get two. This is the tile and window cleaning brush. Here's the floor brush, and these clips are here to attach a mop. Here's the included mop, measuring mug and funnel. And here's the Prestige Dynamo Steam Cleaner. Looks really nice, similar to how a vacuum cleaner would look. And here's the warranty card and instruction manual. The steam cleaner uses a 15 amp plug. I had to use a converter wherever I didn't have a big plug point. This is the steam nozzle, connected via a flexible tube to the main unit. We have a safety switch when not using the nozzle so that kids don't activate it by mistake. When using the cleaner, just flip the switch and start using. The front section of the main unit looks like it contains all the smaller attachments, a nice place to store them all. We have a small nozzle, a medium nozzle for the bigger fittings, a big round brush, a small round brush, and a directional nozzle. All these fittings have a nice place in the front section, making carrying them around easier. Here's the main unit. It looks really nice. We have Prestige Clean Home on the front and also on the side. On the handle, we have a power switch and the indicator lamps. Here's the spout we fill the water through. Wheels allow you to roll the unit around when required. Let's set it up and get it ready to clean. Unscrew the cap for the water reservoir. Fill the water into the cleaner using the provided mug and funnel. Max capacity of the tank is 1500 ml. Close the cap tightly and we are ready to turn the unit on. Once on, the lamps on the front light up. One red and the other orange. Red indicates the cleaner is on and the orange light indicates it's building up pressure. Once the orange light stops glowing, the pressure has built up within the system. It takes approximately 12 minutes for the pressure to build up within the unit. This is the nozzle where we can attach the brushes and accessories provided. Once the pressure is built up, pressing and holding down the trigger releases the steam. The safety lock switch is used to lock the trigger so that kids don't get injured by accidental presses. Still, it is recommended to keep away from kids as the nozzle does get really hot. Now that the orange lamp has turned off, the unit is ready to use for cleaning. Let's try out the biggest brush in the set. This is the floor brush. These are the holes from where we have the steam flow out. This is the towel clip or the mop clip where we can attach the provided mop while cleaning the floors. This one needs the swivel nozzle. Just push the brush onto it and attach the nozzle to the handle. Done. Now we can use the floor brush to mop the floor. It can be used with or without the mop. The nozzle swivels, allowing it to reach most corners. Adding the mop is quite easy. Just open the clips and done. There is a lot of water that comes out of the nozzle, so the mop helps. We can use it to mop up the water after a round of steam cleaning to get rid of all the dirt. The next attachment is the window cleaning brush. The steam comes out of the holes in the center and the squeegee end or the plastic end is used to clean the water off. This is used for your windows and also any glass surface like your crockery shelf. But be careful as the cleaner also gives out water, no electronics should be around. My favorite of the attachments has been the brushes. Mainly the big round brush. It allows easy access to the cleaning area and also steam is concentrated to a small section, making it more effective on the dirt. I've used it on the kitchen tiles and it managed to dislodge the dirt, mainly oil, off the tiles. One wipe and it's clean. We also used it on the stove and it managed to clean the dirt off. Do note, for stubborn dirt and stains, it'll take multiple passes and longer. So this is not a magic cleaner in any way, but does help to a limit. Cleaning the chimney was also easy. Just let the steam sweep into it and it manages to clean up. The extension tubes allow for easy cleaning of the out of reach areas. No need for a ladder, just add the extensions and now everything is within reach. I found the small brushes to be the most effective against stubborn dirt. The angled nozzle allows to reach even more awkward locations to be cleaned. I'm quite happy with the cleaning on the kitchen tiles. Maid has not come in for around a year, the dirt is coming off quite easily. On floors, the stubborn stains do need a bit of coaxing, but they do get cleaned. Once the area is cleaned, you will need to wipe the area as it fills up with water. Steam cleaning helps get rid of microorganisms generally not visible, so we are disinfecting while cleaning without any chemicals. A few cons I have is that the handle is quite heavy and your hands will hurt after some time as we need to hold down the trigger quite long. The trigger is very hard and digs into your skin. Lots of water is generated, so be careful near electrical points, electronics or items that can be damaged by water. I use some duct tape and a plastic cover to protect the electrical outlet from water while cleaning the tiles above. The unit is quite noisy, but if you want to clean, you need to accept the noise. I found that the smaller attachments make more noise than the bigger brushes. One important point is do not open the cap to the tank while it is pressurized, as you should not be able to open it in the first place because it has a safety valve, but it is dangerous to open while pressurized as the steam will be released and you might hurt your body or your hands. Overall, the unit is easy to use and does help with the cleaning to an extent. Don't expect years of old dirt to vanish in one try, they will need more coaxing. Sanitizing the house while cleaning is an added advantage and without chemicals is a big plus. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.